Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Two polynomials are given. We need to find the HCF and LCM. The given polynomials are 3x cubed minus 27x square plus 60x. And the second polynomial is x square minus 16. Now find the factors of each polynomials. In first polynomial, we have 3x as a common term. So if you taken away 3x, we will get x square minus 9x plus 20. Now find the factors of x square minus 9x plus 20. So which of the two numbers add up to minus 9 and multiply up to 20, which is minus 5 and minus 4. So the factors are 3x into x minus 5 into x minus 4. Let's move to the next polynomial now. So the next polynomial is x square minus 16. So x square minus 16 can be written as x square minus 4 square. We know that the basic formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So x square minus 4 square becomes x plus 4 into x minus 4. Now find the HCF and LCM of these two polynomials. HCF, highest common factor of these polynomials, is we have x minus 4 in this and we have x minus 4 in other polynomial as well. So HCF is x minus 4, and LCM, the least common multiple, which is 3x into x minus 5 into x minus 4, and we have x plus 4. So HCF is x minus 4 and LCM is 3x into x minus 5 into x minus 4 into x plus 4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.